Hey, Dana here. Yeah, welcome to my garage. And this is kind of under project escape. Well, as you know, if you leave a vehicle sitting for a long period of time, you're probably going to have rodents running in and out of it and making it smell, right? Well, I got this can of Armor All Fresh Fix, because it really smells. I'm going down the road and trying to figure out where the heck the smell is coming from. So I sprayed it in the vents and everything. And they say, well, you need to spray it into your external vents and then suck it in through your intake. Well, this is actually where the air comes in, and then it's under this pad. And this thing is underneath this thing here. So you got these little screw things you got to take out. Well, when I lifted this up, look what I found. Nice nest. So this is where your internal, this is where it's sucking it into. Is through here. You're supposed to have all your fresh air in here, right? Well, there's the reason for 90% of the smell, is because this is a nice little nest here and a mouse is made. So, and you can smell how stinky it is just from this point here. So what you're going to do is I'm going to go ahead and get that nest out of there, and then go ahead and spray that right in here. I thought it was supposed to be like an air filter that sits on top of here, but it's not here. I don't think anybody's ever messed with it either, but so this is always down. So your air is being sucked in from over there, under there, around, in this case, around the nest, and then into your intake. So that's going to solve this problem. All right, so just a thought. Pull the little screws out of there, and you pull this cover out, and that keeps the environment basically out. So there we go. So I'll take care of that real quick. You'll catch me on the next project, Escape, and that's going to be replacing the transmission cooler. All right, again, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share. You'll catch me on the next Dana Crosby's Garage. And don't forget to check out my newest channel, and that's Searching For, where I am using my 14-foot inflatable boat, the Elizabeth, to search for cars and missing persons in our waters, pretty much in our local area. I'm stretched out right now to about a 100-mile radius. So let me know if you have something to be searched or searching for someone.